If you're a homeowner in Conway, you know how important it is to keep your house comfortable year-round without watching your energy bills climb higher every season. One of the smartest upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient replacement windows. These modern windows are designed to improve comfort, reduce energy waste, and add long-term value to your home, all while making daily living more enjoyable. Why old windows cost you more than you think? Many homes in Conway still have older windows that allow air leaks, temperature fluctuations, and unnecessary strain on heating and cooling systems. Drafts in the winter and heat gain in the summer force your HVAC system to work overtime. That extra effort shows up every month on your utility bill. Energy-efficient replacement windows are built to solve these issues. They use advanced materials and construction techniques to keep indoor air where it belongs and outdoor temperatures outside. The result is a home that feels more consistent and comfortable in every room. How energy-efficient windows improve comfort? One of the first things homeowners notice after replacing their windows is how much more even the indoor temperature feels. Energy-efficient windows reduce cold spots near windows in the winter and limit heat buildup during Conway's warmer months. That means fewer hot or chilly rooms and a more pleasant living environment overall. Modern window designs often include insulated frames, double or triple panes, and special coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to flow in. You get brighter spaces without the uncomfortable glare or excess warmth. Lower energy bills, month after month. For many Conway homeowners, savings are a major motivation. Energy-efficient replacement windows help reduce heat loss in winter and minimize heat gain in summer. Because your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, you can see noticeable reductions in energy usage. Over time, these savings can offset the initial investment, making replacement windows a financially smart decision. Plus, with energy costs continuing to rise, improving efficiency now can protect your budget in the future. A quieter, more peaceful home. Energy-efficient windows don't just help with temperature control, they also reduce outside noise. If you live near busy streets, schools, or active neighborhoods, upgraded windows can significantly cut down on sound transmission. This added sound insulation creates a quieter, more relaxing home environment, which many homeowners consider an unexpected but welcome bonus. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Replacing your windows is also an investment in your home's appearance and resale value. New windows instantly refresh your home's exterior while enhancing interior spaces with cleaner lines and better visibility. Buyers in Conway often look for energy-efficient features, and updated windows can make your home more attractive if you ever decide to sell. Even if you plan to stay long-term, the improved aesthetics and performance add daily enjoyment. Choosing the right windows for your Conway home. Not all windows are the same, so it's important to choose options that match your home's style, layout, and efficiency goals. Casement, double-hung, sliding, and picture windows can all be designed with energy-saving features. A professional consultation helps ensure proper sizing, quality installation, and the best performance for Conway's climate. Proper installation is just as important as the window itself. Small gaps or misalignment can reduce efficiency. A smart upgrade for long-term comfort. Energy-efficient replacement windows offer Conway homeowners a powerful combination of comfort, savings, and value. From lower energy bills and improved indoor temperatures to quieter living spaces and enhanced curb appeal, the benefits are clear. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, upgrading to energy-efficient replacements is a practical step toward a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable home for years to come.